You might think this is just a one-eyed planet in the universe that happens to look like an eye. Wrong. This planet possesses the most unbelievable super ocean known to humankind. When you pilot a spacecraft through 48 light-years of dark, empty space, a gigantic deep blue eye suddenly appears ahead of you. It floats silently in the void, staring unblinkingly at its star. This super-Earth, located in the direction of the constellation Goldfish Piscis Austrinus, was once believed by scientists to be nothing more than a cold, lifeless rock. But recently, data sent back by the James Webb Space Telescope made people's scalps tingle. This planet is very likely a world completely covered by water, and not an ordinary water world. Its structure is bizarre to the extreme. One side is an eternally burning inferno, the other is a permanently frozen hell, and the only hope for life is hidden in the pupil of that eye. First, we need to understand one question: why does it look like an eye? This is not God's graffiti, it is the result of the cruelest physical law in the universe, tidal locking. This planet orbits extremely close to its parent star, far closer than Earth is to the Sun. Such intimacy comes with a terrifying consequence. It is tightly gripped by the star's gravity. Just as the Moon always shows the same face to Earth, this planet also forever presents the same side to its Sun. What does that mean? It means there is no sunrise and no sunset. On the side facing the star, there is eternal daylight. The dim red glow of the red dwarf relentlessly scorches the surface, pushing temperatures to extreme levels, like a furnace from hell. On the side facing away from the star, there is eternal night, an absolutely frozen world where temperatures plunge far below zero. All water there is locked into a solid shell of ice, silent, lifeless. But a miracle happens at the boundary between ice and fire. At the very center of the star-facing side, right where the pupil of the eye would be, the temperature reaches a perfect balance. Here, the ice melts, forming a vast and deep liquid ocean. Imagine this scene. The entire planet is wrapped in a thick white ice layer, the sclera of the eye. At the center, under direct stellar irradiation, the ice retreats, revealing a deep blue circular ocean. This is the pupil, thus forms one of the strangest sights in the universe. An eyeball planet, like a colossal eye. It tirelessly gazes at its red sun. This ocean could be hundreds of kilometers deep. For comparison, Earth's Mariana Trench is only about 11 kilometers deep, yet it already hides countless unknown life forms. The ocean on this planet may be dozens of times deeper than Earth's oceans. In the abyss, where dark red sunlight cannot penetrate, what kinds of colossal beasts might be roaming the depths? At this point, you might ask, what's so special about water? There are plenty of water-rich planets in the universe. Good question. What truly makes this planet unsettling is that it may not only have water, it may also possess an atmosphere. Not long ago, astronomers from the University of Montreal analyzed Webb telescope data and made a shocking discovery. The data suggests the planet may have a nitrogen-rich atmosphere. What is nitrogen? It is the main component of Earth's atmosphere. If this planet truly has a nitrogen atmosphere, then liquid water on its surface could exist stably, and heat could circulate across the planet to some extent. This means the pupil region of that eye might be a warm and comfortable tropical ocean paradise. Imagine standing at the center of this ocean. Above you hangs a massive dark red sun, frozen in the sky, unmoving. The sky would not be blue, it might glow in dreamy shades of pale pink or orange red. Around you stretches an endless dark ocean, its surface shimmering as it reflects the red dwarf's light. Now let's push our imagination even further. If life exists here, what would it look like? Because the parent star emits mostly infrared and red light, Earth's green plants would likely starve here. To absorb as much energy as possible, plants might evolve to be black or deep purple. Imagine forests of black algae swaying in red-tinted waters. Massive whale-like creatures glide through them. And because there is no day-night cycle, these organisms would not need sleep. They may have evolved life processes completely different from anything we know.